Hi, mate.
Hey, going to
Today.
Good day,
mate.
mate.
Today,
That's
mate.
like street language.
Good day, mate.
Yeah.
G'day. And the other one is go away.
How are you
Go
doing?
away.
No, Aussie street language. Bugger off, mate.
Frego,
Bugger off.
Baigo,
Bugger. Bugger.
Bagro,
Bugger.
Bagger.
Bugger.
Bagor,
Bugger.
Bagger,
Bugger off.
Bagger off.
That means go away. And if you want to do the rest,
Let's go away.
it means go away. But in rude way. In a rude way. Bugger off, mate, means
Yes.
it can also say piss off.
Right.
Go away. Yeah, it's another one, not so nice.
How are ya? How are
How
ya?
are you, mate?
How are ya?
That means, how are you today? mate?
Yes. How are you today?
We have many ways to speak. We have street language,
Yes.
we have English,
English,
Ya,
and we have broken English.
nggak apa-apa ndak?
broken English.
You know broken English?
Capek. Kita sorong-sorong nasi gini aja.
Like people speak who grow up in another country, come here learning English. It's broken English, not proper university English.
Not academic.
Hello?
It's all
How are you, Matt?
No. Hello? You good? You good? That's broken English.
Broken English.
Hello? That means good. Hello, how you going, mate? Hello, you good? Yeah, me good. Bagus.
dari bagus.
Bloody bagus. Yeah. Yeah, but so we have many ways to speak English.
But there are
hang on,
street-
hang on.
street language.
Hang
There
on.
is street language.
Hang on sebentar.
Slang.
Oh, sebentar. Hang on.
Hang on means wait.
Yeah.
Tunggu sebentar.
It's like you're trying to climb up the rope onto the roof, yeah?
Apa tuh?
And you're holding,
Yeah.
and you want the man to help you. So he says, hang on, mate. He goes away. I'm hanging on.
Begantung.
And then walk out. Come back. I'm hanging on. Yeah, just joking.
Hang on, begantung.
Hang on means wait. Hang on, mate, means wait. I'll be back.
Sally,
Mm.
I want to quiz you. Can you hang on with for my mobile phone? Can you hang on?
Yeah.
Hang on means hold for me.
Hold for
Oh,
me. Can you
hold
hold
for
for
me.
me?
Can you hang on to my phone, mate?
For a while for a long time or for a while.
No, just till I come back.
Oh.
Said come back.
I have to go do something. I'll get my hands dirty. Better
Yeah,
if you can
yeah.
hold for me. Or I have to pick up something. Better if you can hold my phone so I don't break it.
Hang on,
Tapi,
wait for
kalau-
me. Okay, I've run away.
Oh yeah, thank you. Bye, don't come back.
Berarti kayak misalnya naik mobil, udah mobil kawan naik mobil, kita suruh tunggu sebentar, hang on.
Hang
Okay.
on.
Can you
Wait,
wait?
wait,
Can you
wait.
Wait.
Oh.
Please wait. Hang on, mate.
Yeah.
Oh, mate means friend. It's like please.
Wait for movement.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute.
Hang on. Not
Hang on
for
a minute
movement. Not
means
movement.
Wait for a short time.
What about 1 minute?
Wait a minute, mate.
Same.
Oh.
Wait a minute is
That's
same.
same.
We have many ways to say it.
Yeah.
Yes.